Did you just hear that? Or, more importantly, what did you just hear? A firework? Thunder? Or something else? Something that makes you wonder about the very air you breathe, the ground you stand on, the unseen forces that protect or threaten us all. We live in a world where the skies are no longer just a canvas of stars, they're a battleground of potential threats. And in that battleground, one name echoes with a mix of awe and anxiety: Patriot. Not a person, not a political slogan, but a machine. A complex, sophisticated, and utterly vital system designed to do one thing: defend. But what exactly does Patriot do? Is it just a fancy missile launcher? A radar system? A network of computers? The truth, as you'll soon discover, is far more intricate and far more compelling. Let's rewind a bit. Imagine a world without radar. A world where incoming threats, be they aircraft or missiles, arrive with little to no warning. A world where cities and populations are vulnerable to sudden, devastating attacks. That world existed. And it was terrifying. The need for a robust air defense system became paramount. The Cold War, with its escalating tensions and technological arms race, accelerated this need. Nations around the globe invested heavily in developing systems that could detect, track, and intercept aerial threats. The United States, facing the growing threat of ballistic missiles, embarked on a project that would ultimately give birth to the Patriot system. Initially conceived in the 1960s as a high-altitude air defense system, Patriot's mission evolved over time. The rise of tactical ballistic missiles, especially during the Gulf War, forced a paradigm shift. It wasn't enough to just shoot down planes. The system had to be capable of intercepting and destroying fast-moving, unpredictable missiles. So, what does Patriot do? At its core, it's an integrated air defense system. Think of it as a finely tuned orchestra, where each instrument plays a crucial role in creating a harmonious whole. That orchestra consists of several key components. First, there's the radar. The N/MPQ-53 or N/MPQ-65 radar is the system's eyes and ears. It scans the skies, searching for potential threats. But it's not just a passive observer. It's an active, multifunctional radar that can detect, track, and discriminate targets. It can distinguish between friendly aircraft, enemy missiles, and even debris. This ability to filter out clutter and focus on real threats is critical. Once a threat is detected, the command and control system takes over. This is the system's brain, processing the radar data, calculating trajectories, and determining the appropriate response. It's a complex network of computers and software that analyzes the incoming information in real time. It's making split-second decisions that can mean the difference between life and death. Then there are the launchers. These are the muscle of the system. Each launcher can carry multiple Patriot missiles, ready to be deployed at a moment's notice. But these aren't just any missiles. They're precision-guided interceptors, designed to engage and destroy targets with incredible accuracy. The Patriot missile, specifically the PAC-3 variant, uses a hit-to-kill approach, meaning it directly impacts the target, destroying it through kinetic energy. But the Patriot system is more than just individual components. It's a network. It can be integrated with other air defense systems, sharing data and coordinating responses. This ability to network and share information is essential for providing comprehensive air defense coverage. Now, let's talk about the real-world implications. What does it mean to have a system like Patriot? It means a layer of protection against a wide range of aerial threats. It means deterrence. Potential adversaries know that their missiles and aircraft won't go unchallenged. During the Gulf War, Patriot gained widespread recognition for its role in intercepting Iraqi Scud missiles. While the system's performance was initially overstated, it undeniably demonstrated the potential of missile defense. It showed the world that it was possible to defend against ballistic missiles, even if the technology was still evolving. However, Patriot is not infallible. It has limitations. It can be overwhelmed by saturation attacks, where multiple missiles are launched simultaneously. It can be susceptible to electronic warfare and jamming. And its effectiveness depends on a variety of factors, including the type of threat, the terrain, and the weather conditions. The evolution of Patriot continues. With each upgrade, the system becomes more capable, more precise, and more adaptable. The development of new radar technologies, more advanced missiles, and more sophisticated software is constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But it's not just about technology. It's about the people who operate the system. The soldiers who spend countless hours training, maintaining, and deploying Patriot. They're the ones who make the system work, who ensure that it's ready to respond when needed. They are the human element in a highly technical system. Think about the implications of that. The weight of responsibility on their shoulders. The knowledge that their decisions, their actions, can have a profound impact on the lives of others. It's a sobering thought. And that brings us back to the question we started with: what does Patriot do? It's not just about defending against missiles and aircraft. It's about providing a sense of security, a sense of protection. It's about giving people the confidence to live their lives, knowing that they're not entirely at the mercy of unseen threats. It is a symbol of technological advancement and military might, but also a symbol of the constant struggle to balance offense and defense. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of security. The Patriot system is a complex tapestry of technology, strategy, and human effort. It's a reminder that in an ever-changing world, the need for defense remains a constant. It's a system that has evolved, adapted, and continues to play a critical role in shaping the landscape of modern warfare. The next time you hear a distant rumble, a flash of light, or even just the sound of a plane overhead, remember the Patriot. Remember the intricate system that stands guard, watching, waiting, ready to protect. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.